Did you know that one doctor's courage to speak up saved thousands of lives and made her $50 million richer? Dr. Diana Martinez noticed something scary in January. Too many patients were getting sick after surgery. At first, she thought it was bad luck, but then she saw the pattern. Her hospital was reusing tools that should only be used once. They cleaned them and used them again to save money. But people were dying from infections. Diana felt sick. She had to choose: stay quiet and keep her job, or speak up and lose everything. The hospital bosses found out she was asking questions. They threatened to destroy her career and take away her medical license. Diana was terrified, but she couldn't let more people die. She documented everything and called the health authorities. The hospital was shut down. Criminal charges were filed. Diana lost her job but saved lives. 2 years later, Diana became chief medical officer at the city's best hospital. The old hospital paid $50 million to victims and now uses Diana's safety rules everywhere. Doing the right thing always wins in the end.